welcome back to today's video. So I had asked you guys on my community tab what videos you wanted to see from me during the holidays, and so many of you guys said please post more advent calendar unboxings. So I am here to deliver to that request. I found so many awesome advent calendars today that I didn't even know about, but get excited because today I am actually opening this huge Wet n Wild advent calendar. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what's inside here. I picked this up today from CVS and there was a big sale going on for all the Wet n Wild holiday stuff, so I got extra bucks and then I used the extra bucks towards this guy. So this was actually only $14.99, but with my extra bucks it was about $7.99, which I thought was an amazing deal because look at this thing. This is really big. So I was trying not to look at the back because they always tell you what the contents are on the back and I didn't want to cheat. So if you guys want to see what's inside the Wet n Wild advent calendar, just keep watching. To subscribe to my channel if you are new. I saw the other day that literally like 50% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribed, and I was shocked. So please subscribe, it would mean so much to me. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos. I have so many videos coming up for Vlogmas, Kimmas, and it's gonna be so much fun. So let's get on into this amazing advent calendar and see what's inside. Love doing these drugstore advent calendars because they're so affordable. There are a lot of advent calendars out there that can be insanely pricey. Like I was just on TikTok and I saw that girl, I think her name's Gabby Fancy. She had this like $400 Chanel advent calendar and I was like, oh my gosh. So we're going a little bit more affordable today. We have the Wet n Wild advent calendar. This is actually called 12 Days of Glam advent calendar. It says it is a $40 value. So this is super cute. It's huge. How thick it is. I picked this up at CVS. I recommend going during a sale, but I thought $14.99 was really affordable for this. Alright guys, let's get on into the box. So we have 12 days, and day number 1 is this guy right here. It is nice and large. So these are so much fun, and it's crazy because we're actually getting into like the advent time. Like December 1st is almost here. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at day number 1. This is actually so awesome. It is an eyelash curl. So cool. I did not know what to expect because like I told you guys, I did not peek at all. I feel like that just makes it a lot more fun. It's like just like a classic eyelash curler. It's silver. How fun is that? It does not have a spring. But I'm totally used to that, so this is awesome. I mean, this would be great too as, of course, a gift to someone, beauty lovers. What a fun thing to open on Christmas Day. Always could use an extra eyelash curler. I am a huge fan of curling my lashes. So let's move on to day number 2, which is right here. This is awesome. I'm so glad that they have an advent calendar. I don't remember them having one in previous years because I always feel like I know what's at CVS because I shop there all the time, especially during the holidays. Guys, this is a good one. Okay, I can open it. I can show you. This is so good. Number 2 is this new Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow 5-pan palette. I've been using their palettes, like their new ones, this past year on my channel, and I've really been enjoying them if you've been seeing on my channel. I don't know if they just made this specifically for the advent calendar or what, but this is super cute. We have some warm tone shades, we have a purple shade, this like white color right here. That is awesome. I can't wait to use this. So cool. I was not expecting that for day number 2, but we are off to an amazing start because we got an eyelash curl and a palette. Like, this is already an amazing value. I only spent $7 on this, so I'm already excited. Day number 3 is super long. I wonder if it's like a brush, but there's day number 3. I'm totally destroying this box. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was right. It is one of their brushes. I love Wet n Wild brushes. You can actually get them at Dollar Tree. This is from their cute line with the white handles and the pink bristles. These are synthetic, and this is actually the like flat concealer brush. I don't know if I have this one. You can also use it as a shadow brush because it's just flat. These to me are perfect for so many things. I use these to pack on glitters. I pack concealer on my lid with these brushes. Such a used brush in my collection. So 3 in and we are doing amazing. I love everything so far. Okay, day number 4 is right here in the middle. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This is actually the Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara, but it's a mini size. And it's so funny because I actually used the full-size Big Papa mascara today to layer. So this is the cutest. I actually really like mini mascaras. Sometimes I feel like they can even work better than a full size because the brush is really precise. They're also great for the lower lash line. So this is adorable. Okay, moving on to day number 5, which is right here. We have a concealer. Oh my goodness. This is actually like an old school Wet n Wild concealer, I think. This is the Coverall Liquid Concealer Wand. I've actually never tried this one before, so this is pretty cool. I don't know what the color is. It looks kind of like an ivory shade, so of course this isn't gonna match everyone. What you can do if it's not your shade is just use it to like cut the crease for eye look. So there's another way you can multi-purpose it. That is awesome. I've never seen like really concealer in an advent calendar before. We are doing awesome here. This next one is number 6. Ooh, we have a little lip moment here. This is one of the Wet n Wild lipsticks and I love their lip formula. This is one of their like newer lipsticks with the cute little like faux Pat McGrath packaging. This shade is called Sex on the Beach. Ooh, my goodness. This is like a red orangey fire kind of color, like very spicy. And I actually don't have a red like this in my collection. This is super cute. Wow, this is a really awesome calendar so far. Okay, moving on to day number 7. This is crazy. Okay, day number 7. Are you even ready for this jelly? Okay. Oh, I can't get it out. We got a full-size Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. That's kind of insane. It's the What Shady Beaches shade. I don't own this. I'm thrilled about this, you guys. Not even a mini. It's a full-size bronzer. Okay, you guys need to get this calendar because this is such an amazing value. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to use this. I love Wet n Wild bronzers. I have a ton of them. You guys know I'm such a huge fan of Wet n Wild. I even like, how would I say that in past tense? I shot my shot. I shot my shot with them on Instagram because they had messaged me asking if they could use one of my posts and I said, yeah. And by the way, I love your brand. I've been a fan for years. Would you guys put me on your PR list? They basically said like, no, we're not adding to our PR list right now. That's okay. I can buy my own Wet n Wild, but I just figured I would try. Yeah, so this is awesome. I cannot believe we got this full-size bronzer. I am so blown away right now. Okay, moving on to day number 8, which is right here. It's another long one. A Mega Slicks Balm color. This is like their chubby pencils, which reminds me of those chubby pencils that Clinique had. This is in See If I Carrot. I think I may have saw this at Dollar Tree. It's like an orange shade, basically one of those wacky shades that like no one ever wants to use. So I'll probably end up putting this in a giveaway, but that's probably my least favorite product so far. But honestly, it's still full size, so not terrible. Okay, day number 9 is another like super skinny long one. I have just this like basic kohl eyeliner. It's called Baby's Got Black. We've all like, I feel like had this Wet n Wild pencil in our collection since like 1992 and it's just been like chilling there ever since. So it's actually a really long pencil. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is just like a classic staple kohl pencil. I feel like this is also the pencil that like our moms and aunts used to like burn with a lighter. It's like that, this specific one is definitely what was used for that. Number 10 is right here. Literally tearing this calendar apart. Okay, number 10, oh my gosh, you guys, wait, this is really cool. I think, I don't know if this is a lip gloss or what. Wow, that was the most intense moment to try and get this out of the packaging. I had to like use the pencil and like fork it underneath, but I finally got it out. I thought I almost broke it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. It is a perfume roller. This is from that like crystal collection they did, which actually I've been finding a bunch of the crystal stuff at Dollar Tree. This is really pretty though. This is in Prosperity, and it actually has these little like gemstones, not gemstones, but just like little, yeah, I guess like stones inside that move around. Ooh, I like really want to know what this smells like, so I'm just gonna open this guy up. It doesn't say what it smells like, but I cannot believe we got like a little perfume in here, you guys. This is awesome. Is it earthy? I don't know, like I honestly don't mind it. This is actually really cute to like throw in your bag, and I just love that there's like little crystals in here. It's really cute. I don't mind the scent. Like, it's not my favorite, but I feel like it's something that a lot of people would like. I wish I could describe it to you guys. It has like an earthy, herbally kind of scent, which I would expect from something like this that has like crystals in it. Okay, that was day 10. Now we have the last 2 days, so moving on to box number 11. This is awesome. It is their Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. Wow. This is 0.67 fluid ounces, so it's like a little mini size, but I'm not mad about this. I love Wet n Wild setting spray. It's like one of my favorites. It works amazing. I've used it so many times. It's been favorites videos, so wow, that's awesome. Okay, and then last day, number 12 is down here. I am so sad. I don't want this to end because I'm having so much fun. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, at first I thought it was a highlighter, but it's actually their Cushion Foundation. Oh my gosh, that's hysterical. It's in the shade Light Ivory, so again, a shade that unfortunately wouldn't work for everyone. Kind of the downside of like an advent calendar with shades in it. It's kind of crazy because obviously you guys know I found this at Dollar Tree like maybe like a year ago. So it's really funny to see it in the advent calendar and that they put it in here. So I guess they kind of took some stuff maybe that was like they had extra of, or you know, things like this that they had originally sent to Dollar Tree. But honestly, all the Wet n Wild products are still awesome to me, so I don't mind something like that. Like, oh, this was at Dollar Tree. Like, I don't care because I love all my Wet n Wild products, even all the ones that I got from Dollar Tree. So love this foundation. I don't know if I even said that yet, but it is so good. It's just like the plain packaging, not like the little cartoon on it, which is fine. But this is such a good like medium coverage glowy foundation. So this is great. I mean, wow, this was truly an amazing advent calendar. It had everything. Like, we had lip stuff, a full-size bronzer, pencil, we had a concealer, we had a brush, the 5-pan eyeshadow palette, the perfume. Like, this is honestly amazing. I highly recommend you guys check this one out at CVS if you are interested in what I unboxed today. This was so much fun. I think it was even more fun because I am such a huge fan of Wet n Wild, so I'm like very familiar with their product line. So this was so cool, and I'm so glad I was able to unbox it with you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this one. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. If you love advent calendars, let me know. You guys seem to enjoy them as much as I do. I mean, I know why. It's because they're so much fun, and advent calendars is just the best. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!